guys, good morning, good afternoon na pala. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo. Galing trabaho guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, ingat sa pagdadrive. Drive is first, safety first guys. Mainit, Ramadan pa rin guys.